What?
It's ridiculous. You got to keep your hands to yourself. That's all I can say about this one. Let's go.
What now?
On August 1st, 2025, police were called after a woman and young kid got into an altercation at a Walmart parking lot.
What's your name, boss?
Max McDonald.
Do you have ID or anything on you? Do you need an ambulance or anything?
No, I do got coming out of my ear. She grabbed me by the head and hit me like 5 or 6 times while I was in the car. I don't know where exactly.
Yeah.
Darn.
I'm right though. Did you want to see the video that the bystanders just sent me? There was somebody that pulled up like 2 minutes after. They were Mexican folk. They didn't speak very good English, but they recorded pretty much the whole thing.
It looked Justin Bieber.
Is this your current address?
No.
Take care of it.
Alright, and what's your phone number?
Video or anything?
Yeah, I mean, whatever video that you have available or whatever. Yeah, if you can. Alright, so what's going on today?
So I had gone to Walmart and I came out and I was just about to back up and I looked over and there's a cart sitting right next to my door now, so I can't back up. I turn around and I look around and she's parked right next to me. Her car door is closing at that time, so I assume that she left her cart there. So I roll my window down and I go, "Did you just leave your cart like right next to my car so I can't back out?" She goes, "Yeah, I did." And I was like, "What the fuck is wrong with you?" And I I called her broke. I was like, "Move your fucking cart, you're broke as hell. Like, what are you doing?" And she's like, "No."
Get your brokey
Who
over
thinks
here.
like that? Why? Okay.
Would you see him pull out a little Dior bag? He was like, get out of here, brokey. You leave your little buggy over here.
Sounded like agitate.
I'm not gonna move my car. She started backing up, so I backed up as well because I'm gonna go, you know, like.
So you guys are like next to each other like this?
We're literally right next to each other. So she starts backing up. I back up too because I'm gonna go get out of here. Well, at this point, that's when the video starts. She backs up. I back up in front of her, and then she gets out of her car, comes to my driver's side.
My
I think I'm gonna roll my window down
Why
and
he
like
pull
yell
off?
at her like, "Hey, move your fucking car just in my way." You know what I'm saying? Well, she grabs me. She starts throwing her finger in my face, is pointing me, is actually touching my nose. So I knew she was about to get hands. She grabbed me by the hair after that and started punching me.
Oh my
And then-
gosh.
Listen. For all my
man.
all my little white kids out there, I'm specifically when you see a angry looking black woman get out of the car, no, don't roll the window, just peel off. Get out of there.
But why would he even roll his window down?
Get out of there.
Common sense.
Because maybe wherever
Boy.
they're from, maybe the city that this is not a normal thing. It's like out here where we live, or you might not have those kind of encounters. People just gonna pull off.
It's on video.
Just while you're in the car?
While I'm in the car. So I try to drive forward a little bit, but actually I can't see because she's grabbing my hair and punching
Oh my
me.
God.
And, you know, she's hanging on my car, hanging
Poor
on me while I'm
thing.
trying to drive forward.
Too bad
Because
he-
we were right
see, if
there.
he
You
had
know,
a-
I was just
if
in
he
the
had
parking spot right here.
a weapon,
And I
it
drove
would've been
forward to
ugly.
here, you know,
Okay.
while
Yeah,
she was hanging on punching me.
you said you got video?
Yeah, somebody recorded the video of that happened. Well, then, you know, I grabbed her. She had a name tag on, so I reached out and I grabbed her name tag off
She
of her
worked in
because I
the
wanted her
store.
name. You know, I seen her name tag on her, and
works in
then
the store.
I got out and I punched her window, which wasn't very smart of me to do. You know what I'm saying? But that was after I
Steve
got
was
hit in the
mad.
face for multiple
You should not
occasions.
have rolled your window down.
No, you should have peeled
That
off.
would have got that.
This is just from a bystander?
Yep. There was a Mexican lady and there she pulled out. I backed up too.
I wonder what state this is. Is this Florida?
I'm pointing at her to move the car. She starts yelling at me. She grabs me and starts eating. I start trying to drive forward, get out the way. She comes back and hits me.
So is this the cart you guys are talking about?
Yes. Literally sitting right next to me.
Okay.
If I would have backed out, it would have hit my car. You know, if I would have like turned and backed out instead of just backing out straight,
Okay.
it would
So
have.
Where's
after she's
the
hitting
lady?
you, you try to drive
Right, I'm
off,
really-
you stop, and then is that when you get out and punch her window?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
What window did you punch?
It's right there. It's broken.
Yeah, she's still back there.
Okay.
And then she actually ran up on me again and was hitting me again.
Oh,
I
man.
pushed her off of me, and you know, that's when more people came out here and we split up type shit.
Okay. So you don't want any medical attention or anything? No. Okay.
I'm crazily blown, you know what I'm saying? Like, I told her to move her shopping cart and she started punching me
Yeah,
in the
but you should have
face.
stayed in the car.
Okay.
I understand, you know, that I backed up it. Well, like, you know,
Okay.
what the I'm kind of mind boggled, you know? It doesn't make sense to I don't know. It's crazy to me. That's where I'm at.
All right. So, what do you want done? Are you want to press charges or what? Because I'm gonna be completely honest with you. It's up to you. But since there's damage on her window, so she's probably gonna press charges on you too for her window.
Here's some fucked up shit too, bro. I'm on court supervision right now because I just got into a motorcycle accident.
Motorcycle.
Gave me court supervision for it. I literally just got put on that shit.
Well, it wasn't for
I
violence.
haven't been in
That
no
was for
trouble the rest of my life. Just funny as hell. Bad
So what do you want to
circumstances.
do?
But
I'll hit homeboy Black.
I would pay to press charge or whatever because that's the only reason. I got punched in my face multiple times.
No, I mean that's up to you. What do you want to do?
What can I do? Can I press charges on it? But I know I did damage to her vehicle.
So y'all better just charge it to the game.
It's on video. I mean, you got injuries, and it's on video. It's just punching you.
There's blood pouring out of my ear.
So,
how does all of that work?
what do you mean?
Pressing charges.
So, I mean, if you want to press charges, then she'd be arrested. And then obviously I'd have to read her right. I haven't talked to her at all. I don't know what her story is. So I'd have to read her rights, see if she's wanting to talk, tell me what she's got to say.
No, for sure. Yeah,
But-
I mean, I would like to press charges. She grabbed me by my hair and started punching me multiple times, like
So you do want to press charges?
over a cart. Yeah,
100% press charges, boy. What are you talking about?
However, if he had have never rolled his window down, the altercation would not have happened. And that's where people have to think. He's a young, he looked like he about 19 years old.
Yeah, maybe
if
20.
that. But this is where you got to think. If I rolled the window down, you see the person is irate. Why even roll the window down and engage? Just exit the situation. Luckily, she didn't have a weapon. Because she could have, nowadays, you don't know. People have knives, they have guns, they get out the car, 95% of the chance, I'm going to say, 50-50. Let's say that. 50-50, people may have a weapon.
Well, she's lucky that he didn't have a weapon.
I mean, I guess it goes both ways.
But the thing is, I don't know the law in whatever state he is, but in the state of California, you couldn't have pulled your weapon. If you have the opportunity to get out of, if he have no way to get out of, that's the only way you're gonna be able to pull your weapon, because almost like castle groundship, like where you can castle doctrine, where you can protect. I'm in here, like I'm protecting my space. But if he wasn't able to pull off, then he would have been able to protect himself. But if he could if that was his space to pull off into.
That's something else. It's like, if you have this space in front of you, why didn't you just go that way? But he said he couldn't go back because the car was there. So depending on how the cart was, because I was trying to visualize this. How was the cart?
Right. And I'm trying to figure, is where you parked, is that where you were? Because it looks like you could have got out of there.
That don't even look like a real parking space, but I don't know.
And let's say let's say it is a real parking space, and the only thing stopping you is the front little bumper device. I would have rolled up and got out of there, because I don't know what this woman on.
Exactly.
if I can.
Okay.
I got hit multiple. I got blood coming out of my ear.
So I have a 4-year-old in the car. You don't keep blocking nobody in. So I get out of my car and I go to yell. He laughing, doing all this, so I'm doing all this back. So then he doing too much. So yes, I did get to hitting him because you doing too much. So then after that, I was walking back to my car. He followed me to my car. He punching the window. You too close to my son. My son in this car. So yes, I did get to hit him because you don't come to nobody's car. You don't even know what I got going on. That car was not blocked. Yeah, because he punched him out. Yeah, I hit him right there. Because
So, hey, I'm going to stop you right. Can you hand the kid off to, is she with you?
Nah. Look how she making the story and this victimized, like I was being victimized. No, I believe what the boy said. I believe you attacked him, but in retaliation hit your window. But that wasn't first course of action for this problem. You were the problem. You the aggressor, and you started it. I don't believe that boy started it.
yeah.
Okay. So right now you're going to be placed under arrest for aggravated battery.
He ain't waste no time with getting all that story.
He had the video. He saw the video.
Big back.
Press charges on his
I
ass,
am,
too,
because it's
for
childish.
busting
Y'all can
your
watch the cameras and all that. He kept blocking me in. You
Child,
cannot block
I don't
nobody
believe
in.
Well, everything's on video.
I don't believe it. I want to see the video.
Why did you blocking me in? Like,
Doesn't
that's
matter.
childish.
You know he white. You know they gonna get away.
Oh my God!
Here
Because
we
he's
go.
white. Okay.
Here we go.
What town is Pure City of Pure? Oh, is that Arizona?
What store is this at?
That's
What
Target.
store is
Target.
this at?
That's
What
Target.
store is this?
Target.
What store is this?
That's at Target.
Wally World.
I don't care.
Hence why I do not shop
You
at
don't shop.
Walmart.
I do.
At Walmarts.
I do.
No hate, no shade if you do.
It's Walmart.
No, thank you.
Let me double check.
Let me double check. Hold on. No, I don't think so. I don't want to tie it up on you. Hold on.
Yeah,
Do you
Peoria.
have
I'm
anything
thinking
in
is
your
that
pockets?
Peoria?
Yes, I do.
No,
What do you have?
Peoria.
I got a civil
That's
over
Illinois.
here, and I don't know what I got over here.
Mind if I grab it?
Yeah,
Well, is this like your ID or something?
I don't. Yeah, I'm for work.
Okay.
What do you work at?
I used to so childish, all because he blocked me in for
Oh no,
this.
she don't work. She don't work
This
at
is too
Walmart.
much. The whole birthday, this is so petty. Like, this is
It is petty. You should have thought about that before you started.
Yeah, we
Alright,
got
so
into your emotions.
basically,
Period.
they were parked next to each other. He gets into his car. There's a cart next to his car. She's like gets to her car and he's like, "Hey, did you leave your cart here?"
Also, I will say this for the young boy. You can't go and be like you broke and you pulled up in the Jeep Liberty. You can't.
Stop. He's a kid. He's a kid. But the point is, you have to stop, think, go. Use that really simple self-control strategy. Grown people too. Stop, think, go.
Yeah.
If I roll my window down, what is going to happen? That's what you're thinking about. Why you already stopped? I mean, come on. My dog got no Jeep Liberty now.
And she said whatever, and then she started back out. He backed out, and they both kind of stopped. Then she come running up to his driver's side window. They start exchanging words, and then she grabs him and just starts wailing on him. He's got injuries all over his face.
She
He's
got
blood
reported.
pouring out of
The
everything.
security lady over there, she works for Walmart?
I didn't talk to her. I don't know what she's doing. So, but the loss prevention dude's inside trying to see if there's video.
I can go check.
There's a bystander that recorded everything on their cell phone and sent it to him. So that's,
Where's the bystander right now?
I had no idea. Left.
They sent that and got the heck out of Dodge.
Yeah.
I need to talk to her.
Child, stop. Get in the car with
Just
her.
talk to her in a second. Let's finish this real quick. We'll give you a call. Okay?
So for right now, I mean, if you want to just take photos of him.
I'm gonna throw this in there.
No.
Because I'm pretty sure she pressed the charges on him.
Okay, well, I'll talk to her about it.
Oh, she pressed the charges when he wanted to get
No. I doubt if he goes to jail. If she press charges, which more than likely she's going to press charges. It could be a thing where you can't be in so much feet around each other, but you hit him. He didn't physically touch your persons, but he retaliated, hit the car in response.
Easy song back there.
It is so bogus, man. It is so bogus.
Do you have a middle name? Say M?
Shit is so.
Do you have a good phone number, Catrice?
What?
Do you have a good phone number?
It is bogus, and that's why you have to stop and use self-control.
Bogus, man.
15 coaches that I and Maria have a better location.
Shit is bogus.
Or it's on the Walmart,
Oh, this is
it's on the subway. I don't know what road number. Josie's. 10-4, no subway.
shit is so bogus, man.
All right. I'm going to read you Miranda rights, okay? You have the right to remain
And you got a
silent.
kid.
Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to your lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any question if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights, not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I have explained to you? Do you understand your rights?
This shit is so bogus. This shit is bogus.
Hey, I'm going to ask you one more time. Do you
Yes,
understand?
yes, I hear you. I hear you.
Okay, well, I
am
need
mad.
you to
It's my
answer
son's
me.
birthday. This is bogus.
Okay, having your rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us?
Well, if it's bogus and it's your son's birthday, you should have turned off your attitude before, because obviously with that kind of aggression, that started before this altercation with this boy. You walked out of Walmart, realized you were about $37 short for whatever that item you're trying to buy for your son. Now you
it.
mad as hell out there, and anything close to that you can see where I can control this situation. Let me fight this little kid.
Take your buggy back. I cannot stand when people do that. I'm sorry. They'll leave it right next to your car.
I ain't seen
on the curb. And take the freaking buggy back, at least to the thing where you can push the buggy in the cart
holster or whatever.
Yes, in the parking lot. That is so trifling.
Let me tell you something, and I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm just be real. I don't see that. I ain't had them kind of issues out here, but I used to have that all the time in Atlanta.
Well, I've seen them sometimes. When I used to go to Ralph's, I would see them, and sometimes they'd be, on the curb, fewer and further between.
Not one on somebody's car. In Atlanta, they would just sit. Man, it was night and day. I used to hate that in Atlanta, man, because you go. I don't care, Walmart, Kroger, maybe not the one on. No, yes. Now the one on Cascade. Times have turned and people have come over there. Times have changed, but I used to see that a lot in Atlanta. People didn't give a F about what they threw them bucket. And I used to see people push them and let them go. Wherever it hit. I don't see that out here, but I used to see that in Atlanta all the time. And I used to get so frustrated. I'm like, thank God that wasn't me. Or you walking out and it's a buggy right on the car. I'm like, you lazy wildebeest.
I can't stand it. And that's the gist of this whole altercation here. She was too sorry to take her freaking buggy back put it by somebody's car who was about to back out. That would have pissed me off too.
She rode it right behind him.
I would have just gotten out and moved the buggy because I know myself. I'm not gonna sit here and argue with you. If you that stupid to put in your buggy and you see I'm backing out, then I already know your mindset is low. I'm just gonna get out and move it real quick and keep on moving.
I've known you very well of close to 20 years. You would have moved it, but you would have made sure somebody heard you.
Maybe or maybe not. No. Maybe or maybe not. Because who wants to go to jail? Who wants to go to jail and get into a fight with somebody low level? Please, that's an inconvenience to me. But why? Come on now. I'm a thinker. Stop, think, go. I talk to myself every day before I get out of this house, when I'm in the car, and to prevent these types of situations. It's a waste of time and money. Who wants to deal with that? Hence, she mad about it and wish the officer would change his mind. But it's your fault because you don't know how to humble yourself and ask for forgiveness. Say you sorry.
Have any rights of mine? Do you wish to talk to me? I need a yes or no. Do you want to talk?
I don't care. It don't matter.
That doesn't answer my question.
I don't care.
Okay, so you don't want to talk?
Take her to jail. That's so stupid.
All right, well, you're being charged with aggravated battery, okay?
Your press charges are nothing because they got video.
I got your mom's number written down here for you.
You mad at your own self.
And you know them hands were heavy. Look at that gut spilling over.
Stop. You put yourself in that situation. You put yourself in that situation.
She was charged with aggravated assault. Do you think she needs to address and fix her anger issues?
Yeah.
Because this situation was not that serious for her to start attacking him. Let us know in the comments.
I'm telling you, when black women specifically, I'm speaking of them because that's on them, that's the, I know.
Yeah.
But I'm going to say that typically for her to act like that was not just because over the buggy. She had a problem before she got in, and usually it's something was going on festering in her mind, and she didn't give a F about that cart because whatever she was thinking. And then typically for you to elevate like that with the boy because he said something, you're trying to, what's the word? You got the aggression, you got an issue here, but then you trying to turn it to this situation so you can feel better because whatever this situation in your mind, you ain't in control of, but you can control come up and trying to snap on this boy.
Yeah. And the thing is, anger really, that's why God talks about it all the time and how it, can ruin your life. And I'm not saying her life is ruined, but she lost control. But see, the thing is, when people do these types of people with these types of mindsets don't go back to the root of they were the cause of the whole situation, why they got locked up in the first place. BLM has messed up black people.
No,
a lot of black people
messed up black people. BLM just found an opportunity that it could seize.
It was ingrained, and after, I'm not gonna get into that video, but I truly see how it has really that curse has really has been planted and deeply rooted in black people's minds because many, not all, But many, who own that whackness, is pleased. Everything is not about race, has nothing to do with it. You made a bad choice and you made a bad decision.
And Bone Quisha, you going to jail.
Deal with it.